Alright, hello everyone. Today we're here for Race 3 of NASCRAFT's third tier series, the Science Time series, or whatever it is. Alright, I won the pole again. Third pole. Alright, hopefully sometime soon we get started, because I was supposed to have the day off today, on the day that I'm recording this, but, oh well. So, yeah, if we could just, start soon, that'd be great. Green flag on the air, we're off and racing, had a decent start. The outside lane, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking I can get a good start and just kind of turn in, keep them down. But we did get a good crossover, so I guess we got that going for us. So maybe the outside lane is a good thing. But look at the pack behind us. As this track, I don't know why, but in this game it still has the overtime line. You remember that rule back in like 2016, 2017? And almost 4 wide is not going to work. You know, you names that way. I know who's who. I'm pretty sure I know all of them, but I'm just making sure. Lap 2 here. Banana Boy leads the first lap. We're going to push Thunder, trying to get him out to the front. He's to the back bumper, Banana Boy. We're going to run the apron down here, as we see drivers sometimes do at 2 Mile Auto Club. I don't know when or if that short track's going to happen, but for now we still got the 2 miler. And this game is 2 miles, so if you're watching this in like 2045 and it's a short track, I don't know why you'd be watching a video that old. And we got cars towards the wall. Bloxy Cole upside down. Caution's out. Banana wins the stage. He was just ahead. Unless we're doing a race back to the line. Oh, he turned us. And I think, yeah, we did win the race back to the line, but I think Banana Boy got the stage win. Yep, I'll be honest, Banana barely got it. What now, Bloxy? What does this man want from me now? Fuel up. Where's my pit stall? There we go. Oh, that's... You know. you do it? I mean... Didn't work. Green flag on the air off and everything. Works like a charm. Alright. Oh, we're getting forced down to the bottom. Yeah, I gotta try to get to the top if I can. Even though we still come out of turn 2 with the race lead. Don't know if that's a good thing or not. NASCraft right behind us. He's gonna give us a push. He swept the series so far. And now he's just not gonna turn. Lifting. You can see the flames coming out of the exhaust when we're lifting and then being able to washing up the track. Gonna run into us here. Almost 4 wide. Side by side in two different battles. Oh, NASCraft turns Thunder into the outside wall. Now Banana's gonna turn us into the outside wall. And we're gonna flip over just before the moment of caution. Make it bright. Alright. Brightness 5. Oh, I added a few too much here. Okay, brightness, let's try 500. Okay, that's a little bit. 50. Okay, is that a little better? How do you get a concussion from that? Okay, whatever. Brightness 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Oh, name type 1. That actually isn't horrible. Let's do the boxy joints. Oh, it just breaks after a certain point. Yeah, we can raise this. Yeah, we'll raise in the... What if I do, brightness... negative 50... Can I make it darker? Oh. Now let's make the bright... Undisco. I want a sunset time 17:30. That's too bright. Time 18:05. No, not 19. There we go. That's a little better. Time 17. We'll go 55. 10 minutes. There we go. Perfect. Brightness. We'll go 24. Brightness 38. Is that better? There we go, that's good. 124. Oh, it only goes to 119. Dang it. Or 120. What am I doing? Because I gotta get to the outside. You come from 5. Alright, down 10. Double it. Double or nothing. Oh no, I'm on my side. Oh. Hello. Yeah, this looks nice. This is actually really cool. And it should at some point fully go down depending on how quickly time goes. Nice little 360 right there. Why is the wall so tall? It all should be right there. Yep, up. A little faster. There we go. Well, if I get lane choice, I mean, I'll just go like right there. Back it up. Legs. Alright, we have like 6 laps to go in the race. See what happens here. Something inside the... Oh. I do not recommend racing inside the car here. Especially at that time. With it being dark out and stuff. I feel like it's getting lighter. I'm doing 7. Green flag out of the air off racing. Good push coming from NASCraft. Everybody's gonna run us up the track. Everybody is up the track, I should say. Banana Boy on the bottom. We're gonna barely be clear of him. Trying to make a 3 wide on exit. Not gonna work. NASCraft and Thunder are the ones side by side. I'm gonna try to be patient here on the bottom. We can't get to the top and get a good entrance like we want. We're gonna get blown by. Banana Boy going right by us here. He's way off the track. Oh, NASCraft barely clear. And that brave move might win him the stage. Banana Boy tries to turn him. We get put in the grass and Thunder sneaks by to sweep the stages. No, wait, my bad. He didn't win it. We're still going, I think. It's a 1-lap shootout, but we're still racing, so, you know. This looks sick. How much if I like spin into the infield? NASCAR League Biloxi. This track has 2 victory lanes, by the way. There's that one, and then there's the one on the front stretch. I got the one lined up. This looks. Alright. When the full pack league comes, spoiler alert, but that's the next league. That's the next series. Full pack comes around. I know what time we're racing out of club. This sunset. So I don't know if Biloxi's merging or what, but. Oh, NASCAR sideways. Vega trying to run into us for the 1 millionth time. You actually get by Miley. Oh, no, that was NASCAR. Oh, he's gonna. Well, this is a peculiar situation. Whoa. Oh, big wreck. It's the big one. Vega, Thunder, NASCAR. They get back going. Caution's out. Racing back. We're going to win the race back. I'll get Vega at the front. I kind of want to see what it's like from the back here. Green flag on the off and racing. I have 2 out of 5 in the stage. Oh, forgot to turn it back green. We got a wreck in the back. Bloxy and Vega going around Vega, spinning like a top. That's going to be a yellow. Oh, no. Contact. NASCAR. Just getting footage for the crash, and I turned my camera back and I got into NASCAR. I did not mean to do that at all. Turned my camera back and it just swerved on me there. Messed me up, and there we go. Look at these reverse skills. Ready? Ready? We're gonna reverse. No, 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 no contact, no contact, no contact. Alright, hit the wall. That's okay. Oh, sorry. Green flag on the air off and racing with a countdown of 1. Oh, NASCAR Bloxy already running into each other up there. If we get to the line, it's going to be 2 to go. I don't know if that's going to happen, though. Oh, these cars look sick in this, with the sun setting right in front of us. Yeah, this is the perfect time for an Auto Club race. Contact with Thunder. This time by, we'll make it to 2 to go. Lifting a little bit. Getting a push from Thunder. Up into the wall we go. NASCAR half to the pit wall. Whoa! Bloxy makes us back out. He's going to run into Thunder. NASCAR the leader. 2 laps remain. Do we make it back to the white flag? Because then the next flag will end. We got a car sideways in the back. That is Thunder. Comes back up. Makes a little contact. And he's going to run us up to the wall. Wall riding me. Thunder and NASCAR, a little contact with Bloxy. Now NASCAR and Bloxy running into each other. Vega waiting in the back. Here comes NASCAR. He's going to try to turn us. Into the grass we go. We're going to come up. Somehow not hit anybody. Bloxy around. We don't make it back to the white flag. Oh, well, we might. No caution yet. Officially. Do we make it back? I got to get to the lead. White flag, maybe? No caution, apparently. Alright. How much you want to bet I'm leading off of 4? Somebody beats me at the line. No caution. Thunder waiting in the back. Bloxy not happy with the call. Do we finally get the win? Down low to cover. Hit the grass. No way. Oh, he runs into us. He's sideways. Vega walls us. Vega going for the win. Vega is Acres' newest winner. And NASCAR flips past the line. Yeah, I think it was a yellow. Like a vote or a... Yeah, everyone's saying there probably should have been a yellow. Well, yeah, I feel like there should have been a yellow. Because Rafi asked me if I'm streaming or not. Yep, never mind. Yep, they overturned it. Yeah, it was severe enough for them to say caution. How many attempts are we doing? Infinite? Alright. I went on the countdown. NASCAR saying we need to redo it, but we've been using the countdown the whole time. Alright, whatever. Yeah, that's weird. We're gonna progress time a little bit. There we go. Countdown 3. Green flag on the Air Off Racing NASCraft is not going. Finally gets going. Vega gets out to a massive lead. Oh, in the wall. Well, we're probably going to make it back, but we're going to have to go on a drive of a lifetime to get to the front. I mean, I did that Chicagoland, and then NASCraft right rear hooked me, so I don't even know if that's going to work, really. We're trying to push Bloxy. It looks like the field's kind of condensing together again. Thunder to the front. NASCraft right behind. Me and Bloxy are not too far behind that. We're going to try to push him. White flag in the air. 1 to go. They're wrecking. Vega around Thunder might just win the race. Whoa! Trying to push Bloxy. We almost turn him. We're up into the outside wall. NASCraft and Thunder walling each other. This is for the race win. We're going underneath Thunder's contact. He clears us to the grass out of turn 4. They wall each other in the back. Is the third time a charm? Yes, it is. We win and go California Dreamin' and Auto Club. That should be the race. Vegas stopped on track. The massive pile up behind. We got a car upside down. That's NASCraft. Wrecking hard. Let's go. Yeah, the big one happens behind me on my cooldown lap. Oh, should probably put the checkers. Might have Bloxy coming for me here. Yeah, heartbreak there for Vega. It looked like he might have won it, but yeah, I don't know why there wasn't a caution, and Bloxy almost flips over trying to stop me from celebrating. We're going to do a burnout here in Auto Club. Here we go, right in front of the... We're just making sure. Here's Bloxy. I don't know which victory lane I'm supposed to go to. I guess I'll park on one in the front stretch. And here comes Bloxy. We're going to stay poster. You know, I'm going to the other victory lane now if he's here. Nice little drift going. Oh, I juked him. That was perfect. Alright. Yeah, why is this wall so tall? Welcome back to the Slow Speed Chase program. It's where you catch all of your favorite slow speed chases. Car around. Here comes Bloxy. And here is Bloxy. He's gonna try to keep me from getting to victory lane. I think he is. Now he is on victory lane. What is this? Back it in. Come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, victory! Victory! Yes, sir. I'm gonna end it here. If there's a post-race fight, I'll post them on the community tab.